Good morning, students. The last class we completed Unit 4 Prose, the Sunit. Hope you people have understood. In this session, we are going to see Unit 5 poem, A Father to His Son by Carl August Sandburg. Okay, this particular poem no, is about the advice given by a father to his son when he here he refers to the father when he come to know that his son is slowly rising. He has become a manhood stage. Okay, he is a man right now. So when at that state no, what is the advice, what is the correct advice that a father has to give? Okay, so that particular advice only here the author has given as a poem. Okay, it is not only for, this advice is not only for the son of the poet, it is also for us. It suits to everyone. And why in this why this poem has given in this year means because you people are going to complete your schoolings. Okay, after that you are going to be in the college. So at that state, how you have to deal your life from the college life, no, you are going to you are going to live the life of you. You are going to study for your life, for your future. So at that state, no, what kind of obstacles that you will see, what kind of persons you will see, because so far till you people are in schoolings, no, you will have and you will be at the care of the teachers and parents. Okay, when you have gone to the college, no, it is not that you are not cared of, you are cared of, but you will have a little freedom to you, because we are feeling that you have become a man right now. So you are ready to stand at the same time. You have to stand on your leg on all alone to see what the life is, how we have to live the life and all. Okay, let's listen to this poem very carefully, because it's so beautiful poem. Each and every line the author has given here is meant to everybody. Okay, A Father to a Son by Carl August Sandburg. A father sees his son nearing manhood. So here the author has seen his son is becoming a manhood. What shall he tell that son? So what he wishes to his son. Okay, what shall he tell that son? Life is hard, be still, be a rock. So life is hard. So our life, no, it is not something that what we are seeing in a movie. So in a movie, it is a 2.5 hours movie. If you see, means the hero will be in a very poor state. In one song, he will become a wealthy person. All those things, all those miracles will happen only in the movies. And I hope you people also knew it, because you people are 18 years old people, you know what the movie is. So here, but still some are there in kind of illusions. What does that means? Everything is easy for them, because everything is easy for them means what? To make it easy, what are the difficulties that your parents have felt? No parents will say to you. So you come to your home and you will be asking your parents, tomorrow I need 1,000 rupees for my friend's birthday party. So what kind of struggle that your father or mother, one who is earning in your family, has made to earn the 1,000 rupees? No family, no father and mother will tell you, because they think that okay, we have struggled a lot, but my son and daughters should not have a kind of trouble in it. Okay, so life is hard. So here, what the author is saying, life is very hard. Life is filled with full of risk. It is not an easy thing. So how you have to be there when you find that your life is very hard? You have to be steel. How the steel will be? Steel will be in a very firm manner, so that you have to believe that you can make your life in very easy manner. So the thing is, we must have an optimistic thought that I can make my risky life into a very beautiful one. So be steel and be a rock. Be a rock means what? So even why he has given the word like steel and rock means whatever happens to them, no, it will not shake. The same manner when you when because life is not an easy thing. So it is filled with full of hard struggles. So whenever we have find that we are facing lot of struggles, no, at one point of time we felt very desperate for being living in this life. So that time also we have to believe that I can make my life. So whatever struggles that you are facing in your life, you should not get depressed. You have to be firm like a steel and rock. That is why he has mentioned that life is hard, be steel, be a rock. And this might stand him for the storms and serve him for humdrum monotony. And this might stand him for the storms, and this might stand him. So when you are being as a hard one, no, when if you made up your mind that whatever things that come, whatever struggles that comes in front of me while I'm living this life, I can overcome. So when you started to have a strong belief in you, no, whatever comes, whatever challenges that you come across in your life, no, you can make that boring one, the boring what others feel that boring, you can make that boring one as a joyful one. And this might stand him for the storms and serve him for humdrum monotony, and guide him among sudden betrayals, and guide him among sudden betrayals. So life, no, it is not that every, because here what really happens once you have grown up or you are being in the state of you're studying. I'm just giving an example because in our life now we will see some good peoples, at the same time some bad peoples also. So in our life now we will see a lot of betrayals, nambike drogam. What does that means? He will be along with us in all at all the time. Okay, so your friend, for example, you just think that your friend is being with you all the time, and whenever you ask him whether you have studied means nothing. So being in the school and being along with you, he will not allow you to study, and he will be also talking with you, making playing everything. But in the home, he would have studied well and he would have done well in the exams. But you think that he also has not studied well, so he also would have scored very low marks. But to your surprise, when the paper comes, you'll come to know that he has performed well in the examination. So like this, a betrayal like this, you will find a lot of betrayals in your life. So when you see the betrayals, that time also you should not feel very bad. You should not feel very bad and tighten him for slack moments. So when that time also, when you find a lot of betrayals, that time also you have to make yourself, you have to make up your mind that okay, I can. Okay, when because it is not possible for us without relying on someone to move on in our life. We have to rely on somebody. Okay, so to whom we have to rely on is the matter. So for that, it takes much time. For that, no, we have to fall as a prey, to fall as a prey into others life. So when we come to know failures and betrayals, we will be very strong in. So the how many what kind of struggles, or how many struggles that we are come across in our life, that much time we are having, we are gaining power, it seems. Okay, how many failures we are, it is. So that I'm not saying that we have to get only failures, but how to take those failures means how much failure we are seeing in our life, that much we are gaining strength. Because Once you that's why people used to say, don't read the person, don't read the person's successful person's life history, because you will have nothing to uh, you will have nothing useful for you. But instead of reading the successful story, start to read the failure story, because you have lot of things to know. Okay, so when you got lot of failures, struggles and betrayals, that means you are becoming very strong. Okay, and guide him among sudden betrayals, and tighten him for slack moments. Life is a soft loam, be gentle, go easy. So life is a soft loam. Soft loam means life is like a fertile soil. So we all know what is a fertile soil means. How you take care of the soil, that much yield it will give you. So we should not be very hard with the soil, because we have to go through the soil in a very easy manner. So life is soft loam, life is like a fertile soil. We have to be gentle. We have to go easy. So we have to see the life in a very gentle and a peaceful manner, so that no, we can make our life fruitful. It means what? You have to enjoy each and every second. You have to live your life each and every second. Live means what? You have to you have to see the beauty of the life. It means what? Whatever comes in your life, you have to take it that it teaches, it has come into your life to make you strong, or to make you wise, how the life of you are going to be. So when it is possible for us to take the life in that manner, no, it will be very easy for us to lead our life in a very happy manner. We will not get desperate when we are able to take the life in a realistic manner. We will not go in a desperate state. If you are not going in a desperate state, what will happen? You will love your life. When you get into desperate manner, definitely you will not love your life. You will hate your life. That is what he's saying. Be gentle and go easy, and this too might serve him. And this too might serve him. If you sow means what? If you sow a good seed into the fertile soil, what will happen? The soil will give you more yield. The same manner, if you are being gentle, loving, caring, if you are being like a person like that, definitely your life is going to be a fruitful one. So if you shower the love towards everybody, definitely that kindness and the love what you have showered with everybody, definitely you will get back. So how it will be? You will be really happy. When you showered only hatred, anger, betrayals towards others means, that only you will get it back. So that is what he is authorizing. Life is a soft loam, be gentle, be gentle, go easy, and this too might serve him. Brutes have been gentle where laces fail. Brutes have been gentle where lashes fail. So brutes means what? Sometimes no, being sometimes the other person will be very hard with you, but still, if you are showing the love, and you are being as a kind person, definitely that the brutality heart also once meant, and he will or she will also show the love towards you. Okay, so even though you are getting only hatredness from others, be gentle with them. Definitely that gentleness what you are showering towards them, you will get it back. Brutes have been gentle where lashes failed. The growth of a frail flower in a path up. A frail the growth of a frail sorry the growth of a frail flower in a path up. It means what? So whereas a wimp will fail to do the growth of tender. So the growth of tender, what can split a rock? That is what. So by being very soft and loving in nature, even by having the loving nature, you can split the people also hard-minded people also in your life. Okay, the growth of a flower in path up had sometimes had sometimes shattered and split a rock, and shattered sometimes split a rock. You that the love which you are showering towards the people can split even a hard rock. A tough will count, so does desire. A tough will count. So in order to be that, what you have, you must have a strong willpower. Okay, so if you wanted to achieve these things, no, you must have a strong willpower. So does desire. So that is very very important, because the willpower is very important in our life, because in our life we will see lot of struggles, lot of obstacles. Whenever we happen to see, we should not give up. So for that only we must have a strong willpower. Okay, so does a rich soft wanting. So if you have a strong willpower, no, even if you happen to see lot of failures, that willpower what you have with you will make you to try again and again. And also you must have a very deep desire. You must have a very strong determined passion towards your life, so that no, the willpower and strong determination, the strong determined desire, strong determined passion in you will make you to live your life in a very healthy manner. So that both the things are strong, much definitely it will make you to achieve success in whatever step that you have taken. So does a rich shaft wanting without rich. And also, yeah, also you must think that you must earn a lot. Okay, so does desire. So does a rich shaft wanting without rich. And also you must be wealth enough, because without money you cannot, without wealth nothing comes to us. Without health means, sometimes no, even if you wanted something, if you don't have a kind of money with you, you're not able to buy it. So in order to live kind of a happy life, you must need a money. Without money you cannot live. This is what reality means. Okay, so to live we need money, but not the money alone is life. So not, you need to live means you need money. So if you need money means you have to work hard. So you have to work hard means, so in order to work, what you must have a strong willpower. Because why to work we need a strong willpower means, in the working place you will see a lot of persons who can betray you, who will show only hatred. So all those things will happen. So for all those things you need strong willpower. Without it wanting, nothing arrives. So to get things, if you wanted something to you, you must need money. So without money you cannot live your life in a very happy state. Okay, children, I'm stopping here. You just go through the three stanzas and ask me if there is any doubt. Bye.